All right, let's power up with dumbbell wood chops with squats. This full body movement builds leg strength, shoulder stability, and explosive power through a vertical chop pattern. Start with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart and a dumbbell held with both hands on the sides. Extend your arms straight overhead, keeping your core braced and chest lifted. Now lower into a squat as you bring the dumbbell straight down in front of your body. Arms stay extended, as if you're chopping wood between your legs. Drive through your heels to stand and raise the dumbbell back up overhead in one powerful motion. This is a vertical movement, up and down in a straight line. Keep the dumbbell controlled throughout and your arms strong, maintaining that straight arm position the entire time. Common mistakes: don't let your back round, don't bend your elbows, and don't let your knees cave in. Keep your chest tall, heels grounded, and core engaged. Need a modification? Use a lighter dumbbell or reduce your squat depth. Want a challenge? Add a pause at the bottom or increase your speed while staying controlled. Strong squat, strong chop. Let's go.